Chapter 11. More about verbs and modals. A verb is a word that tells or asserts something about some person or thing. A verb may tell us 1. What a person or thing is. Mr. John is a teacher. The dog is brown. 2. What a person or thing has. Sheila has a pet cat. A chair has 4 legs. 3. What a person or thing does. Latif kicks the ball. The clock strikes 10. Let us learn about auxiliary verbs and principal verbs. For that, study the following table. Auxiliary, principal. She is writing a letter is the auxiliary verb here. She is a teacher is the principal verb here. I have come to school. I have an umbrella. He does not go to school. He does his work perfectly. She will sing a song. She wills to have a prize. She will sing a song. Here will is the auxiliary verb. She wills to have a prize. Here wills is the principal verb. An auxiliary verb is one which helps a principal verb to form a tense or mood or voice. Hence it is also called a helping verb. The verbs which are used independently without help from other verbs are called principal verbs or main verbs. Auxiliary verbs or helping verbs are of 2 types. 1. Primary auxiliaries or tense auxiliaries. Be, is, am, are, was, were, been, being. Have, has, had, having. Do, does, did. 2. Modal auxiliaries. Can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, need, dare, used to, ought to. Now learn about finite and non-finite verbs. A finite verb is limited by person and number of the subject and changes its forms according to tenses. Fatima goes to school. The mangoes taste sweet. He attended 3 meetings. A non-finite verb is not limited by person and number as a verb that has a subject and is therefore called the verb infinite or simply the infinitive. Fatima does not like to go to school. The mangoes are sweet to taste. He has 3 meetings to attend. State verbs and event verbs. In modern English grammar, finite verbs are classified in 2 broad categories. They are state verbs and event verbs. Verb. State verb. State of perceiving. State of mind and emotional state. State of being. Relationship. Event verbs. Single event, repeated event. Examples of state verbs. Verb and sentences made of the verb. Be. He is a very brave boy. Remain. I remain silent in such cases. State of perceiving. Verb and the sentences. See. I see you are a fool. Hear. I hear a buzzing sound. Taste. Honey tastes sweet. State of mind and emotional state. Verb and the sentences. Love. Everybody loves his mother. Forget. I often forget his name. State of relationship. Verb and sentences. Have. I have a brother and a sister. Belong. This book belongs to me. Examples of event verbs. Event verb of single event and repeated events. Buy. I bought an orange from the market. This is a single event. Buy. I buy oranges from the market regularly. This is a repeated event. Causative verb. Some event verbs are sometimes used in causative sense. These are called causative verbs. These verbs are formed in three ways. First, by using the same verb, simple verb, causative verb. Second, by using a different verb, simple verb. Mother is eating her food. Causative verb. Mother is feeding her baby. Third, by adding make, have, or get. Simple verb. I should go there. Causative verb. I made him go there. That is, compelled him to go. Simple verb. I cleaned the room. Causative verb. I had John clean the room. Simple verb. The barber cut my hair. Causative verb. I got my hair cut. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.